Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making
strawberry
Fresas con crema.
Fresas con crema.
It's a very important recipe for me because when I was younger, probably about Carter's age, my mom used to make me fresas con crema.
Yeah.
So it's nice to pass it along down to Carter.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Let's get started, people.
Gonna need condensed milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and a little bit of sour cream. But before we get started, we have to make sure that the strawberries are ready.
And that's the big one.
So we've already washed them, and now we're gonna cut them into little pieces. So first, what you need to do is you need to pull the stem off like this.
Okay. Yeah.
And you need to rip off the top leaves and then put the leaves over here.
Oh, you help me, please?
That one's tricky, isn't it?
Yes. It's hard.
There we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these strawberries into smaller pieces. So Carter's gonna use his safe knife.
Yeah.
It doesn't really have a sharp edge, so we're in the clear for that. You're gonna cut the top off like this. Cut it into tiny little pieces like that.
That's real. Not ready to eat yet.
No, they're not ready to eat yet.
But tricky.
They're a bit tricky, aren't they?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Oh, it went in this bowl. Tasty? Cheers.
But tricky one.
It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Thank you.
Yeah, I love strawberry.
I love strawberries too.
Yeah. Oh. But it's not strawberry.
You're eating a whole strawberry, and this is the last strawberry. Just keep cutting that one so we can be all done. We finally finished cutting up all of the strawberries, and this is our result.
Yeah.
Carter did an excellent job using his knife, right?
Yeah.
Before we start making the crema for the strawberries, we're gonna add some vanilla
Yeah.
all over the strawberries. Good job. Okay?
It smells tasty.
It smells very tasty.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna mix the vanilla extract and all the strawberries together with a spoon. Now that the strawberries have the vanilla extract in them, we're gonna get our big trusty Santa bowl, and we're gonna put 4 spoonfuls of sour cream. Can you help me do that?
Yeah.
After that, we're gonna add our condensed milk.
It does milk.
Do you wanna have a little try of the condensed milk?
Yeah. Yum.
We're gonna add a little bit of condensed milk, and we're just gonna stir it.
I keep mixing it.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy. I keep mixing.
I think it's ready. It's nice and creamy,
Yeah,
just like that. And that's the consistency that we want it to be.
I want it to be.
Now, are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
I think the thing that took the longest was to cut the strawberries. But these are all ingredients that I feel like any ordinary house would have in their pantry. Again, the ingredients are in the description box below. We're gonna plate everything up, and I'm gonna put some strawberries in this fancy glass.
I'll do it.
You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, you can scoop them in this nice glass.
Like a shovel.
It's like a shovel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get our cream,
Yes.
and we're gonna drizzle it all over the tippy top of it.
It looks good.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Yummy!
All right, guys, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please be sure to click like and subscribe. And most importantly, happy 2020!
Up to 20.
Happy New Year!